By the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take your trading to the next level and how to make $100 a day and all the possible ways you can start to do it without over leveraging and by risking the same amount every single time and be consistent with y'all's trades. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker with the Playbook. Hope you have a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly trade breakdowns, weekly day trading tips, but we also post stock analysis and crypto analysis and plays. We don't just show you how to make both passive income, but we show you how to make active income as well when it comes to trading and when it comes to investing on these charts. First things first, I gotta give a special shout out to the members and students because we've been going absolutely crazy. We just absolutely smashed Q2 in the face, just like how we did Q1. We went 52-6, giving us another 90% win rate for the quarter. April, we went 16-1, catching 68,765 pips. May, we went 19-1, catching 33,162 pips. And last month, June, we went 17-4, catching 17,347 pips, giving us a total of 119,274 pips caught. All you got to do to check this out is hit that first link in the description and join the free Signal free Telegram. Then if you scroll to July 2nd, you can see this right here. Everything's literally dated, timed, and documented. You click the blue highlight, it will send you right back to Q1. And again, you see we had a 90% win rate Q1 as well. At the beginning of every week, we drop the Sunday chart analysis that goes over not just what I see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but what I see price doing throughout the entire week. Like I said, we go live every day. I post a recap of the day at the end of every day, recap the week at the end of every week, recap the month at the end of every month. So again, y'all, make sure to hit that first link in the description to check all that stuff out. And of course, you want to join in on those signals on my exact trading strategy, hit those links in the description, but watch to the end of the video for the details. The first thing you have to do in order to start making $100 a day is first you got to have a good trading strategy. Not only do you need to have a consistently high win rate trading strategy, but you also need to know how to read the charts. So if you do not know how to read the charts yet, or if this is your first week of learning how to trade, this is still a good video to watch. But I always tell people to not jump into trading with a live account, because with anything brand new you're learning, you're going to make mistakes. But instead of learning how to ride a bike without training wheels, and you might bust your ass and scrape your knee, when it comes to trading and investing, these mistakes are going to cost you, literally. All right, there's literally no rush. Rushing the process actually stresses you out more, makes you lose a lot more money, and it actually makes you take longer than if you would have just practiced on a demo account. And of course, there's always the quickest way to learn, which is learn from someone that already made the mistakes you're going to make and actually already has an accurate high win rate strategy and actually shows the results and breaks the stuff down live. But let's go ahead and get into the math of it, okay? Because in order to understand how to make $100 a day, we got to do some simple math. So let's pull out that calculator. So if you're trying to make $100, and let's say you're risking 1%, you're trying to make 1% a day. 1%, that would equal $100. You will need a $10,000 account. So either we'll need to get funded $10,000, which I made a video earlier this month breaking down how to pass a funded account. Make sure to check out that video. Or you need a personal account with $10,000. Or you have a $5,000 account, right? And 1% is $50. And all you have to do is catch a 1-to-2 to 1-to-3 risk-reward ratio setup. Okay, now let's rewind. If you make 1% a day and that equals $100, you will need a $10,000 account. But with the $5,000 account, you risk 1%, which is $50, and you go for a 1-to-2 to 1-to-3 minimum risk-reward ratio setup. 50 times 2 is 100. 50 times 3 is 150. And if you don't understand what risk reward means, that's what you see with these trades here. So that means whatever you would have risked, you would have made whatever that number is. So this one says risk reward 3.6. So that means whatever I risked on this trade, I would have made 3.6 times that amount. This one was a 1-to-2. So that means whatever I would have risked, I would have made 2 times that amount. This is a 1-to-4, almost 1-to-5. So that means whatever I would have risked, I would have made 4, almost 5 times that amount, right? So if I would have risked $50 on this trade, I would have made almost $250. If I would have risked $50 on this trade, I would have made $100. If I would have risked $50 on this trade, I would have made $150, right? So with the $5,000 account, risking 1%, which is $50, you can literally make 2% off a 1 to 2 risk ratio setup, which will equal $100. So again, you either get a $5,000 prop firm account, or you have a $5,000 personal account. And again, all you're doing is risking 1%. 1%, you should not be scared to risk 1. Because if you're risking 1% of your account per trade, you'll literally have to lose 100 trades in a row to blow your account. If you're risking 2% of your account per trade, you'll literally have to lose 50 trades in a row to blow your account. And then if you risk 5% of your account per trade, you'll literally have to lose 20 trades in a row to blow your account. And again, the key words is in a row, consecutively, right? But if you have a high short ratio setup, all it takes is one win to cancel out 2 to 3 losses. Let's break it down. So let's say I have a $5,000 account, okay? And let's say I'm risking, again, 1%, $50. So let's say Monday, I take a loss. Again, I have 99 more opportunities before I blow my account. But again, we're going for 1 to 2 to 1 to 3 minimum risk ratio setups, which, as you can see, is pretty easy and simple to find. So let's say Tuesday comes and I catch a 1 to 2. So I just lost $50, but I just made 100 back. You see how I'm still in profit, even though I'm 1 to 1. So let's say Monday, I take a loss. Let's say Tuesday, I take a loss. Whoops. Let's do that again. Monday, I take a loss. Tuesday, I take a loss. But then let's say Wednesday, I catch a 1 to 2 RR. I have a negative win rate. I only won 1 trade, but I lost 2 trades. But because I'm risking the same amount every single trade, and I'm making sure my wins always are greater than my losses, I'm still break even for the week, even though I have a negative win rate. Y'all see how this works? So what I teach the members and students is not to make money on the front end, which we see a lot of people online tell you, oh, put this lot size down, or do this, do that. No, I tell y'all to make money on the back end, which means you make money based off the risk reward, not based off the lot size of the contract you put in. That's how people blow their accounts or over leverage. Because yes, when you put that lot size down, you can make X amount of dollars per point or per pip. But if you go into drawdown, you can lose X amount of dollars as well. But if I'm literally risking only 1 to 5% of my account, and I'm going for a double to triple whatever I'm risking, and have a high win rate, it's literally impossible to lose, y'all. It's literally that simple. And what I just broke down, do the same math for anything. You try to make $1,000 a day, $500 a day, right? $200 a day. You do the same exact thing I just showed you how to do in this video. You just replace the numbers and you just do the math. That's all it comes down to. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free signal and free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my signal service, my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description, y'all. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. If you're interested in taking your trading to the next level and learning directly from me, join Playmaker University, or I recommend scheduling a one-on-one session where profitable traders and confident traders are made. Not only are you going to get my complete strategy in video format, going over how to read the charts, how to identify my key price levels, those blue and gold lines y'all stay asking me in the comment section, how to enter and exit trades, how to trade news, my scalping strategy, my secret buy and sell limit strategy, trading psychology, how to deal with wins and losses, how to scale into trades, how to never blow your account again, how to double your account every month. But you will also get daily analysis setups for life, student member group chat, daily trade recaps for life, exclusive New York Lives and trading plan Zooms, and y'all gonna get my famous price action technical analysis playbook that works on stocks, forex, options, and crypto. And on top of that, you're going to get the trader's mindset, mastering psychology and risk management playbook that goes over leveraging risk, mastering discipline, how to never blow your account again, learn how to trust yourself while staying cool, calm, and collected. This is what helped one of my students turn $4, as you can see, yes, to $275. That is not Photoshop. You can see he's saying right here, I followed the playbook through a Hail Mary. Shout out for all you do. This is why I always say follow the flow price and not chase price. His last dollars, he was damn near, he basically blew his account. And because he followed my teachings, trusted the playbook, he was able to turn a $4 account to almost $300 account. It's literally that simple, y'all. I made all the mistakes, so you don't have to make the mistakes. Instead, just learn from my mistakes and be successful quicker. So if you're interested in learning how to consistently not only grow your accounts, but consistent $500 to $1,000 days, click that first link in the description, watch the free trading crash course. Or if you already know you're ready to get in and lock in with me, click the link to go join Playmaker University or the one-on-one sessions, and I'll see you on the other side. Shout out to the Playmakers, man. Now, advanced play signal, we literally just had a 100% win rate last week, and this is the exact same strategy I teach in the one-on-one sessions and in Playmaker University that averages not just a 90% win rate on a weekly basis, but also on a monthly and quarterly basis as well. You see right here, 16-1, 94% win rate. You see here another 100% win rate on the week. We go to a whole nother month. You see here how we ended quarter 1 this year, 44-5, giving us a 90% win rate. 17-3 January, 14-1 February, March, 13-1. And if we go to how we ended last year, 2024, we literally went 181 wins, 23 losses, averaging an 89% win rate all 12 months combined, averaging less than 2 losses per month. You're not gonna find any other mentorship or signaling service that does stuff like this. And not only do I call accurate signals, but I give you my entry, my S-cells, my TPs. I notify you when the TPs get hit. I give y'all updates in the trades, and I drop a New York price watch list showing y'all what price is doing in that trade we're in, as well as what to expect and anticipate going into New York session, as well as other possible setups going into New York session. I go over whether you should look for buys or sells. I go over specific price points and all of that good stuff, y'all. And you'll also get the advanced play signaling for completely free when you sign up and apply for one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions, I make sure you earn while you learn. So not only do I teach my exact same strategy on a Zoom call on the charts just like this, but you get one session a week. Each session is an hour long, recorded and sent to you the same day. Those recordings are yours to keep for life, y'all. So you definitely get a huge return on investment, as well as you get access to the student member group chat and the advanced play signal room. So it'll be interesting. You're trading to the next level. You know exactly what to do. Hit those links in the description, y'all. If you want to contact me directly, you can DM me on Instagram, TikTok, or Telegram. I respond to all messages. See y'all in the university, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Peace. We out.